In this video, you will discover the number one reason why only 1% of people make money online but the rest fail. In fact, I have wasted a lot of money on various online businesses since 2014. I was making sales here and there, but not on a continuous basis. When I discovered this secret, I was able to make money on a continuous basis. This secret system helped me generate cash flow while working only 15 minutes a day or perhaps 20 minutes per week. It's behind the success of multi-million dollar companies like Amazon, Apple, Netflix, etc. Before revealing this secret uh, system, please answer this question. Do you want to build the number one digital asset online that creates ongoing cash flow and saves you from economic crisis? If your answer is yes, then download this free book that teaches you how to build the number one digital asset online using just your email address, which creates continued cash flow. The secrets in this book are behind the success of all internet marketers, including myself. Make sure to download this free book in the description below. If you want to make your first dollar or $1 million online, you have to have a targeted audience that listens to you and purchases from you, not once but multiple times. You can find your target audience using Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. But the problem is that none of these platforms are safe because they are not in your control. You are not the owner of these platforms. One day Google may block your domain, the next day Facebook may ban your account. In this situation, you lose your audience once and for all, and your invested money will go to waste. But here is a secret real asset that creates cash flow on a continuous basis for growth. It's called an email list. An email list. What's an email list? An email list is a collection of email addresses used by businesses to communicate with their subscribers and customers. It's a critical part of online marketing. It's the only business model that gurus don't talk much about because they charge hundreds or thousands of dollars to reveal this profit generating business model. Moreover, it's the power of an email list that builds other social media channels in no time, such as YouTube channels, Facebook groups, or Instagram followers. What are the benefits of an email list? Number one, real asset. An email list is a real asset, so one day you can sell it to other person. So number two, complete ownership. So your the email list is in control of yourself. So you have complete ownership on your email list as a real asset. No one can take it from you. Like, for example, Facebook blocks your domain, Google blocks your domain, or Facebook ban your account. So it's not like that. Number three, highest ROI, $36 for $1 spent. So if you invest $1 for one email lead, that email lead will generate $36 back according to HubSpot statistics. Number four, a strong relationship. If you have an email list, you can build a strong relationship with your subscribers because of personalization and sending high quality content according to their needs and wants. Better engagement. So Uh, if you have a loyal subscribers, they will read your email and they will act upon your email and they reply even to your email and even send you a thank you reply. So these are the 5 big benefits of an email list. Let's see how much can you make from your email list. Every email every email is makes $1 per month. Every email makes $1 per month. If you have a list of 1,000 email subscribers, you can make $1,000. If your list size is 10,000 email contacts, you can make $10,000 per month. But if you have a list of 100,000 email subscribers, you can make even $100,000 per month. Celebrities like Kim Kardashian, George Clooney, and Madonna use this easy and safe method to make millions by sending emails. With proper email list management, as we do for our clients, you can double your sales on the first or second day. For example, avoiding the spam box, increasing the open rates, and good email copywriting. How do you build an email list? Offer a lead magnet, create a sample opt-in page, set up email follow-ups, use social media, and run ads to attract subscribers. You can do all of these things for free except running paid ads. For example, you can create a YouTube channel and build your email list for free. If you have no technical skill to run ads on Facebook or Google, you can use solo ads to build your email list. There is a simple system that allows you to drive traffic to your opt-in page using Google PPC traffic, which doesn't require technical or optimization skills. You can build your email list from 100 to 100,000 subscribers in 24 hours. I put the link to this easy system in the description below. Make sure to download this free book because it allows you to build the number one digital asset online using just your email address while working only 15 to 30 minutes a day.